We are shapes. You can see us everywhere.
I'm a square, you can see me everywhere. I have four sides, I'm a square. I'm a circle, I go round and round and round. I have only one side, I'm a circle round and round. I'm a triangle, I'm a pointy little shape. I have three sides, I'm a triangle. I'm a rectangle, like a really long square. I have four sides, I'm a rectangle. I'm a star in the sky, so far. I have five pointy arms, I'm a star. I'm a heart, I'm so curvy and so smart. I'm a really lovely shape, I'm a heart. I'm a diamond, you can see me on a ring. I'm so shiny and so bright, I'm a diamond.
We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. We are shapes. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere.
If you like this video, then please give it a like and subscribe my YouTube channel.